Hi, my name is Karen Barnes and I'm here today on behalf of the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. I'm here showing you some fabulous designs for the winter Christmas season.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.
In front of me I've created a very small garland. It could be a swag, but I prefer to call it a garland. It could even be a table runner. But basically it's very easy to make. It's done very naturally with lots of winter foliages, i.e. the spruce and the pine. But I've also taken little florets of the hydrangea head, just one hydrangea head, a few of the black Baccara roses, and I've interspersed little elements of that luxury feel to give you that premium look of velvet ribbon. Velvet is very on trend, so I've included that in this gorgeous, rich burgundy, almost like a claret colour. And it's all put together with twine. Very simple. It's very economical in terms of actually making it. It's not very difficult to make, and you can probably see that from behind it's very sturdy, it's not going to fall apart. So this could be put onto a table centre, it could be hung on a door, it could be round a doorstep, it could be on the mantel shelf.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.